Hey guys, welcome back to the Don B channel. Thanks for watching. Alright, so today we're going to show the 2013 Mustang a little love. We're going to install this part here. I purchased this from LMR once again. These are some hood struts. These fit 05 to 14 Mustangs of all types. And I'm tired of using my pop rod all the time, and I figured I'd go ahead and install a set of hood struts. These are the MRT Blacks. I'll go ahead and unbox it for you here so you can see exactly what comes in this package. Let's take a look. Okay, here's everything that comes in the box. You got, of course, our hood struts here. We have the attaching brackets on the hood and on the body of the car. These are the no drill, just straight bolt-on version of these struts. So it also comes with, of course, instructions. We'll read through those thoroughly, but essentially it should just be a bolt-on operation. So let's go ahead and get the proper tools we need and get started. The install is very straightforward. There's only 3 bolts total you need to remove to replace everything. Everything is marked side specific. Remember, anything marked right hand goes on the passenger side. It's based on where you're sitting on the driver's seat. And so your driver's side would be left hand, passenger side would be right hand. So I have my ratchet wrench here. I have my socket wrench and socket, 10 millimeters on your hood, and one back here at the back of the fender. We're going to start with the bottom bracket here. You'll see it's marked right hand side, and we're going to go ahead and replace that real quick. I'll go ahead and show you guys how that's done. Really straightforward. I'm going to be reusing all the same hardware that is coming off. There's no new hardware that comes with it. So all we're going to do is take this bracket, just insert the bolt back through that hole here, and reinstall it. Nice and sturdy. Time to install the upper bracket. You can see it's got a slider here and a hole here for the hood. Take these 2 bolts off, hold it together, and then just slide this over. Now we do have this cable right here. I'll just want to make sure it doesn't get pinched. So we'll just slide that in there. We'll install that real quick. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to help support this hood because it is going to want to teeter a little bit when I take this bottom bolt off here. So I'm just going to use the back of my head to help support the hood up so I can get the bracket lined up and get the bolts reinstalled. So let's do that. I'm going to have that close by so I can reach everything. Alright, since we don't have to take that bolt all the way out, because it does have that slider pin in here, we're going to go ahead and just slide the bracket down in there. Go ahead and get this other bolt started. Alright, the bolts have been started. Now I'm going to go ahead and start tightening them down. Just got to make note of this harness right here. There is a gap in between everything. Just going to make sure it all fishes out of the way so that way it doesn't have any interference. So let's go ahead and tighten everything back up. Alright guys, the last part for the install on this side is to just go ahead and install a strut. I went ahead and pushed down and cycled these struts a couple times just to make sure they do work. They've been sitting in my garage for a while. And of course they came up and they worked, so I'm going to go ahead and install them. I'm going to make sure the large cylinder here is actually facing in the upward direction. We're going to go ahead and install the bottom portion first, and then I'll lay it down, pull down the pop rod, lift it up so I can attach the top part. Alright, same steps on the other side, and then we'll see how well they work. And again, it's this most rearward bolt here on the fender bolt that I'm removing to do this on both sides. This one, it actually doesn't look too bad. White logo and everything, but hey. Alright, pop the bottom in. Alright. Same thing, we're going to let that sit down. We're lower the pop rod, remove my tools, hook it up, see if it holds up. Alright. Let go. It holds it. Alright. I'm still going to keep my pop rod in just in case these fail, but at least now, every time I pop the hood open, it's holding it. Make sure everything's tight. Good to go. One little problem, it's hitting our sound tube bracket. I'm going to remove it real quick, move it over, see if that's the only cause, and then we'll figure out what to do from there. In order to make these hood struts work on this car, I had to move my sound tube that goes into your intake. I had to move that bracket. And originally it was up here. See where this bolt was? This whole unit was up here. It was hitting this. Wouldn't allow the hood to close. I simply just took it off and pushed it back under, retightened the bolt. Now it's just been relocated to below where it was here currently. So, but yeah, now they work. Just one technical side note: if you have a 5-liter car that has a sound tube, you're running these, you'll have to move this bracket under to make them work. But yeah, besides that, it worked out pretty good. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Simple Sunday afternoon install. It took minutes. Just that one piece that if you're running a Coyote car that has the sound tube still in it, you will need to move that bracket under its location, so that way it clears everything. Nice simple little install, not that bad a price, and the annoying pop rod is no longer used. So guys, that's going to do it for the install and for this video. Thank you so much for subscribing and for watching. If you guys know anyone that'd like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.